Okay, so in example 7, we're substituting again, but we're going to want to rewrite these a little bit before we do that, just to make it easier on ourselves. Okay, so on this very first one, and I don't think any of these three are in determinate form. Okay, I was thinking that would happen at first, but it did not. So we're just going to rewrite the limit first, and then I'll substitute in. So let's make this a little bit cleaner. And it's not completely necessary because you know, if you remember everything that's on your unit circle, but a lot of people don't. So I think it would be a nice idea just to clean it up first and then go. All right, now tangent sine over cosine, but this is the reciprocal of that. So this is going to be cosine over sine. Okay. All right. So I can substitute in this is a cosine squared. All right. And then I got the 2, of course. So it's going to be 2 times. All right. We have cosine pi over 2, whatever that is, squared, because there's 2 of them there up top. Oh, no. Ooh, cool. Divided by sine pi over 2. Now notice I've dropped the limit notation because I'm actually evaluating now. And so looking back at our unit circle one more time that we built up above, I'll have 2 times. The cosine of pi over 2 is the x coordinate, so that is 0. And the sine pi over 2 is the y coordinate, and so that is 1. And all of this multiplied together is just going to be 0. Cool. Okay. All right. All right. What about this one? Let's rewrite it. What would be the best way to go? So we've got the limit as theta approaches pi over 4. All right. So I like this sine and cosine, but that's a 1 over tangent. So that's another cotangent there. So let's see what we've got. We've got sine theta, and then cosine theta, but something's about to join that. So all right, and this was 1 over tangent, but 1 over tangent is cotangent, just like we had over here. That's another cotangent. So that's going to give me cosine theta over sine theta, which is kind of nice because then the sine thetas cancel. And then I can substitute into a cosine squared. All right, so here we go. So that will be the cosine of pi over 4 squared. Oh, but hold on a second. That on your unit circle is a 45, 45, 90 right there. And on all 45, 45, 90s, you have square root of 2 over 2. Or the square root of 1/2 if you prefer on those. And so, but it's going to be, and it's fine either way, but I'll go square root of 2 over 2 squared. All right, so the square root of 2 squared is 2. Okay, and the square root of 2 squared is 4. And so this is 1/2. It's a little bit annoying. Okay, equals with a random box just sitting there. Bye-bye. Okay, cool. All right, so there we go. So that one's 1/2. All right, then on the next one, we've got a cosecant. Well, that's interesting. All right, so let's rewrite that one. Okay, so I've got the limit as theta approaches pi of sine theta over 3 theta. And over here to the side, I'm going to take care of this. That's 1 over sine theta. Okay, and so there we go. Let's go that color. And these cancel out. And so now I can evaluate. And so this is going to equal 1 over 3 pi. Yes.